Hello coder, welcome to day 1 of JavaScript Mastery in 100 Days Challenge. In this challenge, you will learn about JavaScript important concept in 100 days. So let's start it. JavaScript is a very powerful programming language that brings interactivity to the web pages. JavaScript is a fundamental tool to the modern web development. Let's talk about its origin and history. JavaScript is developed by Netscape in 1995. JavaScript initially aimed to add dynamic elements to the static HTML pages. JavaScript role in web development is very important. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language executed in the user's browser, allowing developers also to create dynamic and interactive HTML and static web pages. Some of the key features of JavaScript are it's known for its versatility, supporting both object-oriented and functional programming style. DOM manipulation is very easy in JavaScript. JavaScript interacts with the DOM, allowing developers to manipulate the content and structure of web pages dynamically. JavaScript frameworks and libraries are the most popular in the modern web development. Popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js are the most popular frameworks, as well as jQuery is also a library of the JavaScript. Extend the JavaScript capabilities to build complex and scalable web applications. Server-side development is also possible through JavaScript. Node.js enables the JavaScript to be used on the server side, enabling a full stack development and unifying the language in the whole entire web development process. Follow this page for more such videos and save this reel.